In today's video, I'll be speaking about how to always become profitable when you're trading even odd, right? First of all, even odd is actually one of the most liked trade types, right? First of all, its profit ratio is quite high, all right? As you can see, it is 95.5%. Recovery is very easy because in even odd, you only need twice your stake or 2 times your stake to recover. So it will not tire you in any way, all right? Unlike something like over 1 or under 8, which can take you a couple of runs to recover. Another thing is that it favors small accounts. If you have a small account, let's say even $3, when you use a stake of 0.35 and you lose it even 2 times, you can be able to recover it and grow your account. So it is very favorable for that, all right? But for the individuals who watched my previous videos, you know that even odd has this risk whereby it is a 50-50 chance market. Now, what do I mean? Now, when you're trading over 2, you always know whenever you're trading over 2, the market has a 80% chance of being over 2 and a 20% chance of being under 2. When you're trading at over 1, you know you have a 90% chance of win and 10% chance of losing. But when you're trading even odd, it is a 50-50 chance. Now, this is where applying the right strategy will help you grow, because when you apply the right strategy, you are able to increase your odds of winning to 60%, 70%, even 80%. Okay, that is where now having the right strategy will always be of great help or of great advantage to you. Okay, now what are the tips that will make you profitable with even odd daily? All right, first of all, always know in even odd there'll be some losses, but now that is where recovery becomes a life changer. All right, and before you continue, guys, please ensure you subscribe and classes are ongoing. What's up if you're interested? Now, first of all, always ensure you've selected the right trade type. Always use one tick. Okay, please use one tick and use a stake that you can be able to, that will not end up blowing your account. So if you have a $3 account, don't go risking $1, risk 0.35 so that you can be able to grow it slowly, consistently, and slowly and consistently. All right. Now, another thing when you're trading even odd, ensure you have enough capital. In any trade type that you trade, having enough capital will save your life. Ensure you have enough capital. If you do not have enough capital, you'll end up struggling a lot to grow your account. So instead of you blowing multiple small accounts, just save up to have a big account and then grow it from there and grow it consistently until it reaches the point whereby you'll be able now to feel and enjoy the profits. Okay. Now, for those who do not know the even odd strategy, I'll link a link in the video whereby I've explained it in detail, all right? In this video, I just want to give you some tips that will really help you out as a trader, all right? As I've said, use one tick, use a stake that will not blow your account, have enough capital, all right? Have enough capital and avoid this thing of pressing even and then odd, pressing even and then odd, pressing even and don't do that. All right, go and look at the strategy that we made, look at it, understand it, and then now use it. But don't go, that will be gambling. You'll be basically gambling. You'll not be trading. Yes, you can win, but you'll eventually end up losing because you are gambling. Go understand the strategy for even odd and then come trade it very, very well. And when you're trading even odd, please, you can just focus on volatility, 10 1S, 15, 25, until 50. Don't cross 50. All right, please trade from volatility, 50 1S going behind. All right, so that you can be able to make your profits daily without any struggle. Okay, but yeah, so if you want to win or in even odd, just apply some of these strategies. Always ask yourself why I've incurred a loss. Again, when you're trading even odd, for those who will go and watch the strategy that I made on even odd, listen carefully, ensure you do the correct timing. All right, if the ticker should be on an odd number before you press even, don't delay. If it moves from that number, don't press it. Okay, yeah, be very fast and vigilant. If you're using a bot, ensure you have a good bot. And if you need more than 100 amazing trading bots, I'm here. WhatsApp me right now. Okay, but apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching. Classes are ongoing. Once again, if you need bots, I'm here. WhatsApp me. If you want to learn the strategy that I've just spoken about, the link is in the description. Go and understand that I'm even odd strategy and then come to me with feedback. But apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, guys. Keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.